Hi guys, this is 1 Minute Herman, and today I'm going to bring you an unboxing of my, a new piece of kit that I picked up shortly. It was 50 quid off, so it's a pretty good deal for what it is. It's 1080p HD Panasonic camcorder, and obviously I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while. I just really haven't had the chance to sort of go out and film anything, so now I've got this camcorder. Obviously it's lighter and easier to carry than my Nikon that I'm filming this on. So yeah, this should be a sort of easier way for me to film stuff, and obviously I've got all the cards and stuff ready. So I literally haven't actually opened the box myself yet, so we're just going to get into it and see what it comes like. So obviously got this on the front. I've only got a little screwdriver thing to try and get it off. Never liked sticky things. They're a pain. Right, there you go. So that's open. Comes in a pretty small box though, so said it's meant to be lightweight and stuff, so yeah. So first of all, just zoom out. Documentation, basic operating instructions, that's what it says, things like that. And we have a disk for some sort of software or something. That's the HD writer. I'm guessing it's something to do with handling the data and things like that. Battery. Oh, that's quite small, to be quite honest. I mean, my hand's not exactly small, but yeah. It's a 970 mAh battery. Nothing else there, so guessing this is the camera. We'll just come back to that in a sec. The last bit under the box, we have, it's a standard 2.0 USB to a mini USB. UK 3-pin wall charger, and the TV output, it's standard. We have this is covered in plastic and bubble wrap. Now that is small, that really is small. It's got a 34.4mm wide lens, 72 times intelligent zoom, and 38 times optical zoom. You've got the tripod on there, SD card and the battery. So if you just put the battery on and see what it looks like with it on. I can get it on. Right, I'll charge it up and we'll try it later. Yes, I'll test it out. So you've got the screen, tilts and all that. Turn it fully around. It's not a touch screen. We've got HDMI, AV, power, and all that. It's got 8.9 megapixel still pictures as well. I've never actually had one of the camcorder before, so it should be interesting to see how they perform against digital SLR. Obviously this one's not the best, but at the price, which I got from Argos at £129.99, 50 quid off, I couldn't really knock. So yeah, that is an unboxing and sort of show around of my new camcorder. Thanks for watching.